Welcome back to Cryptogains for another video. Hope you're all having a good day. I'm coming ultra wide. I don't even know how I look right now. I'm hoping I look good. Let me just quick check of that. Here in a secret location. I'm on a Spanish island. Got myself a nice little hot tub here. Could be in that later on. Come on. You know the deal. You know the deal. I'm just out here chilling, enjoying life. Wanted to talk about the market. We saw a disgusting dump. People got shook. Man, I felt like Terra Luna was all over again. I felt like that Terra Luna dump was just coming in. Take a look at this. Amazing view. Guys, I want to talk about the market. How do you feel right now in this crypto space? Because the market took a little drop. Some people got shook. I've been focused. Like, things didn't go up the way we had hoped straight away. The wind's blowing. That's going to do its own thing. Things didn't go up the way that we had hoped straight away. I'm going to go out here and show you. You know, I've got a nice little view here as well. Actually, real quick, let me show you. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Nice. See? Things didn't go up the way that I'd hoped straight away. But it is what it is. What it is. There was a 1.5 billion. Actually, someone said, one of the news posts said up to $1.8 billion had been liquidated in crypto. That's mad. Absolutely mad. So I look at this like it's almost like a battlefield with large, big investors, big money, institutional money, playing with our minds, trying to hype you up to get you to the point where it's like, oh, new all-time high coming in, altcoins about to explode, let's dump on them. Just spit on our faces. I didn't spit, but just wiped out, decimated. So I say to myself, do I follow the rest of the market and get shook as well? Or do I stay focused, look at the best times to be buying cryptocurrencies, take the opportunities to get in on coins that I may have missed out on back in a few, August, well, a few months, because we're basically trading at prices like where it was a few months ago. Well, at the time of recording this video, maybe it's dumped even more, I don't know. If it has, are you buying, are you selling? How does it make you feel? I want to know. How does it make you feel? Some women checking me out back there. Because I feel focused. I'm not scared of the market. And I was saying to my Satoshis, if you have a good, well-balanced portfolio, meaning that you're not high risk all the time, you're not constantly diving in on these high-risk plays. What's going on? Yeah, where it's only nano caps, it's only micro caps. If you have a good, well-balanced portfolio, meaning you have some projects that 30 million market cap, 50 million, 80 million, then you don't feel so bad, because it doesn't matter about the short-term price swings, because you know that you're investing in projects that you clearly believe can do well. And that's what this has been about all the time, investing in projects that we clearly think can do well. How do you feel? Drop your comments down below. I asked people, what are your top 5 holdings? And I asked for a reason, because I wanted to know, are you genuinely holding cryptocurrencies that you like? Are you going to keep topping up on them if you see a price that you consider to be a great buy price? Or are you someone that's just a straight up degenerate, only plays in high risk memes, doesn't have a portfolio, claims that they're going to do well in the future? How? Answer that question for me, please. Go and check this out again. Private little beach. They do have a nice beach actually down further down. I've taken videos on my Instagram. You can check my Instagram if you like. But no, I'm staying focused, guys. Even when the markets drop, I look at opportunities to buy. And that's all you can do. You can follow the herd. And again, when it's fearful, people buy. The smart money buys. The smart money only sells when it's extreme greed. And I think that this market's just worked up a lot of people for a long time, because we've all been waiting for this moment. You've been watching influencers share chart analysis and posts and news on how the market's going to get exciting, it's going to go up in price. And that's caused a lot of people's hopes to go up. Your hopes were up there thinking, damn, this is it. This is the time to buy, because everybody's saying it. All the YouTubers are positive. Maybe I should put my money in this, and this. Then you've got the YouTubers that are saying, crypto is going to be great. You better trade these altcoins. I'm trading Bitcoin. This is the leverage trade. And that's a shame, because sometimes people that are new to the crypto space don't understand it. You just get wiped out from your leverage, because the smart money, the big institutions look and go, right, there's enough liquidity here now, let's just dump on their damn face. Oh gosh, $1.5 billion just liquidated, up to $1.8 billion. That's disgusting, man. Damn. So how do I see it? What do I feel like's happened then, really, in the last week and a half of all the, the madness, the big dump? I just see it as a liquidity grab. I think this last week and a half has been a liquidity grab. I think Bitcoin could still do all right, but we will see if it holds these certain levels. If it breaks the 50-week, game over for me. I think that's, Bitcoin's done. I don't necessarily think the altcoin market's done. I think the money will come out of Bitcoin, flow into the altcoins. That will cause the rise, the pump, and that's when markets start to go crazy for the altcoins, and then we see our final surge that we were waiting for. And then after that, altcoins are done. Timeline, I can't tell you time-wise. It's quite tough to tell time. I'd like to believe it's in the next 2 months. I'm putting my bets on that it's the next 2 months. But one other thing that I said to my Satoshis is that when you get to a point where it's been so tough in the past, like the all-time high, because this hasn't been the first time that Bitcoin reached a certain level of all-time high. It's tested it a few times. And you can't expect for it to just break through immediately. We've seen serious resistance in the past. Let me put this here. Stop it. We've seen serious resistance in the past, which make me think that it's not going to be simple to just come out of it and just, pump and seal new all-time highs. We're going to have that battle. But what do you think is going to happen once you break that resistance level and you start skyrocketing up? That's when the excitement kicks in. I will keep showing you my charts. Sorry for the sea. I'm literally right on the seafront. I will keep showing you my charts. Hopefully there's no naked people in the back. Sorry about that. Keep showing you keep showing you where I think the top of the market's going to be, and hopefully we can all pull through this together in the future, and then go our own separate ways where we feel the top of the market is in. I just don't think it's yet for the altcoins. I still think there's one final move to come for the altcoins, but we will see as time goes on. I'm going to leave it here. If this was helpful in any shape or form, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Tell me how you're feeling. Are you still confident in the market, or are you shook? Did that dump get you shook? I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.